In this video you will learn how to install Spyder IDE for Python in Windows 10 without Anaconda. Let's get started. If Python and pip, Python Package Manager, is not installed in your machine, install them with the help of this video. Link is in I button and description. In order to install Spyder, we will first navigate to the Python installation path in File Explorer. I have Python 3.9 installed, so path will be as shown above. Inside Python installation directory we will open the scripts folder and run command prompt from here as shown in this video. Command Windows is open now. To check pip is installed and working, you can run pip version command. Command will return the pip version if installed. We will install Spyder IDE with the help of pip by running pip install Spyder command. Pip is a package manager for Python. It will download the Spyder's package files and install them in your machine. The process can take a minute or two depending upon your internet speed and disk's read-write speed. Spyder is now installed successfully. This is the path where Spyder is get installed. Let's navigate to this directory using File Explorer. The Spyder installation path is in he format shown above. In my case, path is shown above. If app data folder is not visible, you will need to change the visibility of hidden items to visible from here. In Python 39 directory we will find two folders. In scripts folder we will find the Spyder IDE executable file. You can double-click it to open the Spyder IDE. Let's make a desktop shortcut of it so that we can run it quickly whenever required. Now we have got the Spyder IDE's shortcut on desktop, but Spyder IDE icon is missing. Let's fix this too. Location of the Spyder icons file is here. We will assign the icon o the Spyder shortcut from this path. Now to change the icon we will right-click the shortcut, click Properties and then Change Icon. We can go to the icon folder path I shown you before by clicking Browse, or you can directly paste the path here after copying from the target folder. Select any of the two icons. Click OK, apply/save the changes, and we are done. Now you can see the Spyder shortcut with icon. You can rename it too if you wish. Now I will run it by double-click. It's initializing and will be launched in few seconds. In this video we learned how to install Spyder IDE for Python in Windows without using Anaconda or standalone installer. Please like the video and write in comment box if you found this video helpful. Consider subscribing the channel if not done already.